Yo, buenos dias, que paso, you guys? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting out to conquer one of my biggest fears on the Harley Davidson, which is, just thinking about it scares me, bro. Drifting to the right side. So I'm gonna warm up, doing a couple to the left, just warm up the tire, get myself warmed up, and then we're just committing. I don't expect to master it by any means. I haven't been practicing these a lot at all. I was like, you know what, I want to give it a shot. At least give it a shot, because it's always kind of looming over, you know. So shout out, I got my bro over here filming. Hopefully we'll get some decent clips of my failures and possible success. I'm not expecting anything big, but if I can at least get maybe one 360 to the right side, then that'll be a small step for mankind, huge step for John's Moto Garage. So the goal today is no high sides, just keep it on the low side. So that's the game plan. I'm gonna warm up with a couple possible wheelies and then a few drifts, so let's get this underway. So a few things I did in preparation for this is I aired up that back tire. It was a little bit low. With the drifting, it's nice having extra air in the back tire. With the wheelies, it's not so nice. So I aired up the back tire a little bit, and that was pretty much it. Should have done more, but I didn't. There we go. I can definitely feel it helps with the drifting. See, even to the left it scares me. That's what the problem is. Oh man, I had a good one, but I didn't do the exit. So now we got to go to the right side. That's the hard part for a lot of reasons. Oh, it's freaky. It's just scary even just trying it. Yo, first attempt, not terrible. Gotta get kind of pumped up for it, man. It's got to be the full commitment. The full commitment. Yeah, buddy. That's technically it, bro. Technically it. We did it. That was not so great. Alright, at least I'm learning how to go far enough in, because that's the key. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Kind of doing it, man. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna call it a day at that. We got a decent, I'll say decent, right side drift. I'll actually say far better than I anticipated. I don't want to push my luck today. I got to work tonight. I don't have a ton of time, so we're just going to call it good. I feel like that was more than enough. I challenged myself, definitely stepped out of my comfort zone, more than I have in a long time on this thing. And so key takeaways from today, really the biggest thing always with the drifts is you got to commit and you got to give it enough juice to really crack that back tire loose and keep the juice going to keep it spinning. Every time you cut loose prematurely, you're at risk for high siding. So I'd rather gun it too much, give it too much gas, low side, which I did a couple times, nothing too gnarly. I'd way rather do that than cut it loose, have it catch and throw me over the high side. More damage to the bike, more risk at injuring myself as well. So glad I finally committed and gave it a shot. That's always been looming over, bro. Like, come on, man, you do it to the left, but why can't you do it to the right? My bro's gonna get a couple more shots of me drifting to the left just to try to get a few better shots, and then we're gonna call it a day. So thanks as always for tuning in. Like, subscribe if you dig it. Appreciate the support. It's been fun getting back out on this bike. Not riding nearly as much as I used to, but it's still fun pushing myself sometimes. So we'll catch you on the next one. Nos vemos. Buddy, there we go. I'm trying to get a combo, bro. Staggered stand-up wheelie, dipping it back far, land, and go into a nice drift. I'll call it good with that, yeah. A couple decent wheelies, a couple decent drifts. Before we burn out the spot.